I've been posting a lot on Facebook about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, the first generation ever. And most of you guys seems to be interested in it because during some of the promotions from Samsung Malaysia, it is only priced at 499 ringgit. And today we have with us the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. So let's take a look at what are the brand new changes and what are the new features available on this watch. Between the Galaxy Watch Active 1 and Watch Active 2, most of it remains the same, especially in terms of software. The features are the same as well, and most of the hardware is actually the same, except for the screen size. So as you can see here, both of these watches are actually with 40mm in size, but the bezels on the first ever Galaxy Watch Active is larger than the second one. And you can see that even the icons on the Watch Active 2 is larger than the Galaxy Watch Active 1. The Galaxy Watch Active 2 also comes in two different sizes. The one we have here is 40mm as stated on the box itself, and you can also get the 44mm size, and both of them comes with this leather strap, which I honestly like it a lot. It's much nicer to look at, but it's kind of sweaty, so yeah, it kind of depends on your personal preference if you like something more breathable or something that looks real sleek. One major complaint with the original Galaxy Watch Active is the lack of a rotating bezel. And what Samsung has done is pretty smart, I would say. Samsung integrated a virtual crown. So what you can do is put your finger around the rim of the watch itself and then you can scroll through like how you would turn the crown on the original Galaxy Watch. Compared with the original Galaxy Watch Active, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 now comes with a speaker on the left side of the watch, as you can see here, this small little slit. So with this extra speaker here, you can do quite a lot of things. Firstly, the voice assistant actually talks back to you. For me, I actually found a way to install Google Assistant onto the watch itself. Yes, I know it's supposed to use Bixby and I did not, so I just installed something called G Assist, which you can find down in the description below. And the setup process, I won't get into it, there are tutorials there. Once you got it done, the Google Assistant actually talks back to you. So for example, this is what I do. I set double pressing the home key to enable G Assist. What's the weather?
Currently in Penwing Giant, it's 31 degrees Celsius and mostly sunny. Today, there will be isolated thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 33 and a low of 24.
And that's not the only thing you can do since it has a speaker here. If you remember the first ever generation Samsung smartwatch, you can actually talk to it as if you are James Bond or something. And now you can do it again because you have both microphones and speakers on the Galaxy Watch Active 2 itself. And I've tried it. Well, it works. You wanna know what else you can do with this watch? Listen to music on Spotify. If you have a Spotify premium account, you can do this. You can literally listen music on your watch with the speakers on the side here. Of course, that's just one possibility to listen to music. You can also, like the first ever generation, pair your Bluetooth, earphone or headphone with the watch so you don't have to carry your phone around if you want to go out and do some jogging or whatever. So yes, it still has Bluetooth connectivity, and if you want to download music quicker, just connect your Wi-Fi from the watch to your router. With the Galaxy Watch Active 2, I think most of the things here are pretty much improvements from the previous generation. However, the battery life of the Galaxy Watch Active 2 is still pretty much the same, even though it has a larger battery capacity. But that larger screen will require more power, so they both balance out. And it lasts for about 2.5 days with our test. And the charger is also the same. It's the small coiled Qi wireless charger that Samsung included. And I think, well, it works. It's just a bit annoying that you have to carry another charger for your watch. One thing I find weird is that Samsung removed this watch face here. This is called Peak Time, which is available on the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. And it has been my personal favorite since I've started using this watch. However, I cannot find that watch face in the Galaxy Watch Active 2. I don't know why Samsung removed it, but yeah, it's just a personal complaint of mine. On Samsung Malaysia's official website, the Galaxy Watch Active 2 with 40mm in size is priced at 1,299 ringgit, whereas the 44mm version is priced at 1,399 ringgit. So it's just 100 ringgit extra if you want to get a larger size one, of course. But the original Galaxy Watch Active is also still in the market for an official price of 799 ringgit. So it kind of depends if you want to shell out that extra cash for a larger screen, but obviously I would recommend you to do so because that larger screen is just so much nicer to look at. But if you want to get into Samsung's ecosystem through a smartwatch with a reasonably affordable price, especially during promotions where you can get these for just 500 ringgit, then the Galaxy Watch Active, the original one, is a good buy as well. Especially since it also has Samsung Pay and you can just use it on any Android smartphones. One more thing to take note of is because of how the glass is shaped, you are better off to get a screen protector like this one. So for the original Galaxy Watch Active that I've been using for months, I actually put on a TPU screen protector to protect the glass because of its curvature. So that is all we have to say about the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. I do like the larger screen and overall user experience is pretty much the same, I would say. And do tell us what is your favorite feature on an Android smartwatch, especially Samsung's, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! You know what, let me listen to some music.